In Creo 3.0, major enhancements have been implemented to enable true heterogeneous assemblies. This is a major enhancement that enables Creo to open up 3D models in native NX, CATIA, SOLIDWORKS, SE, JT, and Fusion formats without creating intermediate or new Creo files. These components or their assemblies can now be analyzed in Creo Simulate as if they were native Creo models. On the screen is an assembly called Frame. Let's go into Creo Simulate and leverage this assembly to perform an analysis. To help identify the components that are non-Creo models, we could see the actual designated file name as well as its extension in the model tree. So in this case, the support component is a SOLIDWORKS model that is designated as support.sldprt, which indicates that it is a SOLIDWORKS file. The same can be said for the CATIA files, in this case the halter.cat part. Once in Creo Simulate, these components will act as if they were native Creo files. We can apply loads, constraints, as well as define the material properties for each of those components. Let's go ahead and do that right now. The first thing I want to do is assign a material to those given components. Expanding the material assignment, I'll see that I've already assigned a material to the rest of the assembly components. Let's go right mouse button, edit definition. What I want to do is select the control button on my keyboard and select the support and the two halter parts. At this point I've added them into the collector and I could click on OK. Now I've assigned every component in my assembly this given material type of steel. Now that we've assigned the material, let's go ahead and create a mesh just to show that this assembly can be meshed successfully. As you can see on the screen, the model was able to successfully mesh, indicating the overall elements that were created as part of that mesh process. With the assembly having its defined constraints, loads, and material properties, we can go ahead and perform a quick analysis. Once the analysis has been solved, we can go review the results. In this case, I want to look at the maximum displacement. As you can see, Creo Simulate was able to easily use all the components in the assembly, regardless if they came from another CAD application. Throughout the Creo Simulate environment, the various analysis reports will reference the non-native Creo models with its proper name and identifiers. Creo is able to easily manage these files within the Creo environment, and leveraging the power of Creo Simulate, users will be able to analyze, verify, and improve their overall design.